Hello, I'm Kamil and this is Random Games Generator where we make games. And this is the third devlog of Random Thing Game. So, what's new? Well, for example, I'm preparing a demo so you can get your hands on it somewhere in May, I guess. I don't know which end of May, but it will be there. So brace yourselves, Random Thing Game is coming. But for that demo to exist and to create it, I had to reschedule things and change the other things in my roadmap. So, for example, UI is totally new and it's getting quite close to what I wanted to achieve, which is that kind of mobile look, but not quite the mobile look, if you know what I mean. Along with that, I also implemented some main menu music and basic sounds for things like impacts and some feedback sounds, but I still have a lot to do in this area. And with that audio update came the necessity of creating some control options for the volume, for example. So I created option menu and added few simple options like gamma, for example, and max FPS, which you guessed it, changes the max FPS of the game. And yes, we've got unlimited option. Next thing is localization. Right now we do support only 2 languages, but this will change. I only need to set aside some money to translate it. Next thing you've been asking about is Steam Deck build, and yes, it's coming and I'm one step closer thanks to implementing some gamepad controls. But what's new about the gameplay itself? Okay, so we've got new tutorial. So in here I've implemented few things like better indicators, like for example those switches that you can open and hide on demand in case you forgot what you have to do. And those icons here, I still have to add few of those to make it more clear what it means, but well, that's the song of upcoming month, isn't it? As you can see, I also added this shader that detects if something occludes our vision. Another cool stuff about our game is I've implemented a new unlock system. So yeah, right now we can unlock those objects that we want to play with, like for example this egg. While I'm at this player unlocking topic, well, I implemented brand new player. So screwdriver joins our rooster. So roaster, I don't know, you tell me. Another quite important change is I've added fire damage component. So right now we can burn like this. Okay, so that's about that, and if you like to support me, you can always wishlist that game on Steam, and you can also subscribe, like, the usual stuff. See you later.